and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Redroad CM17, a wireless electric rotary mop available at Best Buy. Keeping a tidy home gets easier and easier as new cleaning technologies, like the Redroad CM17, come out. Simple and straightforward, this self-cleaning mop makes it easy to scrub and wax your floors with a lightweight, no-sweat tool. In the box of the Redroad CM17, you'll find the mop itself, some mop pads, a dual-use charging cable, and the mop's automatic cleaning bucket. The mop handle comes disassembled for efficient shipping, so you'll need to click its handle together before you use it. Of the mop pads, some are for water mopping and some are for waxing. The ones for waxing are those flat ones in the back, and the ones for water mopping are these ones right here with those fluffy little sides. The mop's cleaning bucket holds 150 milliliters of water and includes a clean water tank, a dirty water tank, and 2 squeegee surfaces that the mop will rotate against. This mop was designed to be pretty flexible and multi-use. It's cordless, has a front-facing LED headlight, and offers 30 minutes of dry cleaning or 50 minutes of wet cleaning on a single charge. Its dual mop heads rotate synchronously at up to 210 rotations per minute, and even the head is made to be convenient to use at home. It flexes 9 degrees vertically, like sort of front and back, and 180 degrees horizontally from left to right. What's interesting about this is that it's designed to do more than just mop, and it's really made to be like moved around, taken apart, stuff like that. That little gray thing, you can click it and disassemble these mop pieces just as easily as they locked together. You can use this for wet mopping, dry mopping. You can even use the mop pads on glass to deep clean your windows. There's a lot of reasons why an electric mop might be preferable to a manual mop. Personally, I like them for their convenience. I feel like they're a compromise between manual mopping, like with one of those ones that you kind of have to like bear down on and wring out yourself, and hiring a professional cleaning service. With an electric mop, you're doing the work yourself, but the work isn't difficult. The mop takes on all of the responsibility of getting in there and really scrubbing, wringing itself out, and in cases like this, even self-propelling. Here's just a little sample of what the base looks like when it's in use. Where non-electric mopping could take hours and a significant amount of labor, like hard work, electric mops kind of just make it easy. I can finish mopping my entire apartment with this in like under 5-10 minutes. Like, it's really very easy. There are some situations that an electric mop probably isn't the best for, but in an everyday household, which is exactly what this is intended to be used in, I think you're unlikely to run into any of them. You wouldn't want to use this on something that won't come out of the mop, something like really sticky sap or epoxy. But for day-to-day cleans, for instance, cleaning up your like filthy Canadian boot rooms in the winter, this is great. The one thing that I would watch out for with this mop is that there's no way to flip the base to draining only. It always wets the mop pads before draining them, which can mean that sometimes they're too wet. If you're worried about warping a floor type such as hardwood, I would avoid a product like this. For more on the Redroad CM17 electric mop with bucket, make sure to check out my full review at the Best Buy blog, or check out the product itself, which is available at Best Buy. Thanks for watching.